So we made it down to the river walk, and we got the Georgia Queen. So they do Sunday brunch cruises, they do sunset cruises, all kinds of stuff. We did not make it on a cruise today, but that's all right.
Not yet.
Yeah, not yet. You gonna see if they got some available?
What's going on, everybody? So I made good on my promise. It's the last good day here in Savannah before the rain comes back, and we still got out of the RV. And this time we are going on the Georgia Queen. We're going to do a sunset cruise on the for the dinner cruise, I guess.
Yep, with the dinner buffet.
Yep. So come along, check it out with us, see what happens.
Let's go.
Making an entry if I don't fall up the steps.
Well, this is pretty cool. So we came in, we're on deck 2, and got us a window seat. Looks like we're...
Why'd we do the window?
Oh, because if I was going to pay the money for this, I wasn't going to skip paying the extra couple bucks for the window seat. And it's a full buffet. She said they'll open it up here in a few minutes. Keep it open till 8 p.m. And everything's included except alcoholic beverages. So.
Which we can still buy.
We can. We have not yet. We may not. I don't know.
Oh, good.
Mm-hmm. And here goes the music. Alright, so we made our way up to the buffet. We got salad served to us. We had really good bread. We're going to need some more of that for sure. But for dinner, they have fresh catch of the day. Don't have any idea what it is, but it looked good. And lemon artichoke pepper chicken, squash casserole, potatoes, roasted potatoes, and then a vegetable medley of some sort. I don't know what it is. Is there anything else you got? Nope. And then they also have prime rib, shrimp and grits. I think that was it.
And a bar.
And a bar. All right, let's see how it is.
It is certainly dressed up like one. You know, it reminds me of like those old Casablanca style boats.
Yes. Yep.
What did you just say?
I said, wow, what a crappy way to spend a random Wednesday night.
On the water.
Yeah. You know, exploring.
Nice meal.
Enjoying places we never been. It's not so bad.
Belly's full.
Definitely.
Dinner was good.
It was.
The weather's holding out. Not so bad for a
Random after work evening.
Yep.
Agreed. I'm full.
I'm full of love. So dumb. Like that thing came out here, did its work, and then they left it to die.
Just stay here. I said, okay, bye.
You're now a coral reef.
It's art.
Yeah. Maybe.
Oh, there's another one. Did you hear him?
What'd you think?
I liked it. I thought it was good. What about you?
I liked it. It was good.
It was fun.
Yep, something different.
Yes.
Good food. You got to see your dolphins.
I did.
I think we saw more dolphins on this than we did for the dolphin cruise that we paid for.
That is a true statement. And good entertainment.
Yeah. Guys played good music.
Yep.
So overall, calling a win.
I would say so.
All right.
I would do it again.
Ooh.
If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit like and subscribe. And drop a comment below. What's your favorite thing in Savannah?